presentation on innovative solutions by Mr. Sanjay Banka, who is the Executive Chairman of Banka Biolu Limited. He is a strong propagator of Sustainable Development Goal 6, clean water and sanitation. With academic background in sciences, humanities, human rights, law, and business management, he has a strong understanding of the society, economy, and the polity, along with technology and sustainable development. Professionally, he has worked in family business, startups, MNCs, and co-founded Banka Biolu with spouse Namita Banka. Mr. Sanjay is a prolific writer and speaker and has authored many a piece on sustainable wash, has also spoken extensively, including at the UN. He is a member of many international committees and councils and put Banka Biolu on the global map. The company is widely appreciated for its triple bottom line, the 3 Ps, people, planet, and profit. I welcome Mr. Sanjay Banka to the summit and to present his session. Over to you, Mr. Sanjay.
Thank you so much, Aparna. It's pleasure and privilege to be a part of this summit. I'd like to share some highlights of the work that we do, decentralized off-grid solutions in the field of sanitation and related wastewater treatment. Presenting to you Banka Biolu, sanitation, hygiene and water company, providing bio-toilets, fecal sludge treatment plants across the country. So our primary solution is the bio-toilet, which comprises the toilet superstructure or the toilet cabin and a biodigester tank. So the fecal matter from the toilet, it goes into the biodigester tank and is acted upon by a bacterial culture, which converts this into water and very small amounts of biogas. These bio-toilets can be installed anywhere and everywhere, and we have installed in over 20 states of the country, thousands of them in schools, communities, families, work sites, border areas, almost everywhere. And they are long-lasting solutions as well as affordable compared to some of the other similar solutions. So this in a nutshell is how the treatment takes place in the biodigester tank. So it's the first chamber in which the fecal matter comes and then is steadily treated. And then in the final chamber, we get water, which is pretty good for gardening and agriculture. Or if people don't want to use it because of taboos, we can let it go underground. It seeps into the ground and recharges the groundwater. So not only if we use it, but even if we don't use it, it goes back into the nature, involving the full element of circularity. We don't need any kind of external support for treatment, maintenance free. It's viable for small families, low-income families, almost everyone. We can reuse the water, no energy requirement. So many benefits are there of the system. And that's why we have been able to penetrate amongst the large masses of India. We primarily provide these bio-toilets to students, families, mostly from low income. And many of these are either subsidized or supported by corporate social responsibility programs or governments. We deploy a large number of bio-toilets in communities through municipal corporations, in schools, through CSR programs. So these are some of the areas that we have worked extensively. And in so many years, the company has grown significantly, as you can see the numbers in the small box towards the bottom left. I mean, the sense of contributing to the society and the economy is multifold. So apart from the bio-toilet, this is another innovative solution from the company's stable, the fecal sludge treatment plant. So the first picture that you see, and you see those black bags, they are geotube. So in this, the fecal sludge is evacuated from the septic tanks, that is poured in this, and steadily over a period of 2, 3, 4 weeks, the water oozes out, and what remains inside becomes hardened solid, which acts as a good fertilizer. So in this case also, we have 2 outputs in the form of reusable water. You can see the lush green garden around the plant, which is all courtesy the water that has been left out in the treatment process. And the biosolids that are there, they act as very good fertilizer. And we have conducted studies and seen that the plants have had multi I would say multiple times growth compared to, organic fertilizer or otherwise. So the other two pictures are again replica of how the plant is, and the container contains electromechanical equipment to run the plant. It's a small footprint, as well as requires very low capex and opex compared to mechanized and large plants. So we believe in decentralized, low cost, not necessarily low tech, but beautiful output, reusable solids, liquids, or gases. That has been the mantra of the company over the years. And the beauty is that all these things, the manufacturing, the installation, commissioning, and operations of these can be done at local level, including the local team members supporting local livelihoods. These are some of the impact areas of the company. So obviously the largest is clean water and sanitation, that's embedded. But at the same time, when we support through sanitation in schools, it's the goal 4 of quality education that we focus on. Then we have large number of people working directly, indirectly in the company, supporting goal 6. And obviously all this leads to goal 3, which is good health and well-being, apart from the other 2 goals, 11 and 17. And all of our projects are primarily partnership-based, either with large businesses, small businesses, or governments. So partnership is the motto. These are some of the partners, commitments, and clients of the company. Banka Biolew is privileged to be associated with so many national and international organizations, has made commitments on climate front, to providing water, sanitation, and hygiene facilities for women, children in healthcare, jobs, almost everything that one can think of. And beautiful clients in the form of railways, wherein we undertake operations and maintenance of the biotoilets installed in trains. Most of the state-owned enterprises or public sector enterprises, we have provided sanitation solutions to them, either for their refineries, their power plants, construction entities. It's been a nice journey. Not really a part of this, but again, I thought we could just share. So we wish to undertake international expansion with the help of partners, going into Africa where the need is very high, and we'll be supporting technically. Thank you from Banka Biolew.
Thank you so much for that very informative session, Mr. Sanjay. I think you are doing an amazing job. Thank you so much for joining at the summit today.